In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn your passion into a profitable online business using Wealthy Affiliate. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been dabbling in affiliate marketing for a while, this platform has everything you need to succeed. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your online business is generating income, even while you sleep. With Wealthy Affiliate's user-friendly platform, anyone can unlock their potential and build a successful online business effortlessly. With the right guidance, you can achieve your dreams. By embracing the opportunities presented by Wealthy Affiliate, you'll discover a community filled with support, resources, and tools that will help you thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. Your journey to financial freedom begins here, as you learn to navigate and master the art of online entrepreneurship. With step-by-step training, powerful tools, and a supportive community, you're never alone on your journey to financial freedom. With Wealthy Affiliate, you can choose from a plethora of customizable templates that suit your niche perfectly. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating great content. The platform not only simplifies website creation, but it also offers invaluable resources and guidance, ensuring that even beginners can find success in the affiliate marketing world. Get ready to watch your online business aspirations come to life. Everything is user-friendly. Wealthy Affiliate provides a complete all-in-one platform for building and growing a successful online business. It offers step-by-step training that guides you from beginner to expert in affiliate marketing, covering everything from building your first website to mastering SEO and content creation. You don't need any technical skills or previous experience to get started. The platform's training is designed to be easy to follow, allowing you to progress at your own pace. One of the major benefits of Wealthy Affiliate is its powerful website builder, which enables you to create stunning, professional websites in just a few clicks. You get access to high-quality hosting, making your sites fast, secure, and optimized for search engines. This means you don't have to worry about technical headaches, and you can focus entirely on building your business. Wealthy Affiliate also includes a keyword research tool called Jaxi, which helps you find profitable keywords with low competition. This is crucial for driving organic traffic to your site and increasing your chances of earning commissions. With Jaxi, you can easily discover niche opportunities that others might overlook, giving you a competitive edge. One of the standout features of Wealthy Affiliate is its community. You are never alone on your journey because you have access to a global community of like-minded entrepreneurs. You can ask questions, get feedback, share your successes, and learn from others who are also building their online businesses. This kind of support is invaluable, especially when you encounter challenges or need inspiration. Wealthy Affiliate's training covers not just the basics but advanced marketing strategies as well. You'll learn about social media marketing, email marketing, and advanced SEO techniques that can help you dominate your niche. These lessons are always up to date, keeping you informed about the latest trends and algorithm changes. As a member, you also have the opportunity to earn through their affiliate program. By promoting Wealthy Affiliate, you can earn commissions for every new member you refer. This provides an additional income stream while you build your own affiliate business. Many members make consistent monthly income simply by sharing their experiences and results with others. Wealthy Affiliate gives you everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing, including top-notch training, powerful tools, and community support. Whether you want to build a side hustle or replace your full-time income, Wealthy Affiliate provides the roadmap and resources to make it happen. With dedicated support from a community of experienced marketers and the tools you need to thrive, Wealthy Affiliate empowers you to turn your vision into reality. Join today and embark on a transformative journey that could lead you to financial freedom and a flourishing online presence. Wealthy Affiliate gives you access to keyword research tools that help you find high-traffic keywords with low competition. This means your content has a better chance of ranking on Google, driving organic traffic to your site. More traffic means more potential customers clicking on your affiliate links, which equals more commissions. One of the biggest challenges new affiliate marketers face is learning how to promote their sites effectively. With Wealthy Affiliate, you can confidently master essential skills, ensuring your online presence flourishes through effective SEO, engaging content creation, and targeted traffic generation. Wealthy Affiliate empowers you to transform your online aspirations into reality, providing the knowledge and tools necessary to succeed in a competitive digital landscape. Embrace the journey to successful online entrepreneurship with unwavering confidence and support. You'll learn exactly how to write engaging blog posts, create stunning visuals, and use social media platforms to drive visitors to your site. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you every step of the way. And the community is something you won't find anywhere else. With over 2 million members, you can get instant feedback, ask questions, and share your successes. Whether you're stuck on a technical issue or need advice on your next marketing campaign, there's always someone ready to help. You're not just joining a platform, you're joining a family of like-minded entrepreneurs. Wealthy Affiliate also has a powerful affiliate program of its own. If you love the platform and want to share it with others, you can earn generous commissions for every person you refer. Many members earn consistent monthly income just by promoting Wealthy Affiliate. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert. The training shows you step by step how to get started and grow your referrals. Here are ways you can use to promote Wealthy Affiliate on TikTok. Create engaging storytelling content that explains how you started with Wealthy Affiliate and the benefits you've experienced. Share real-life experiences, successes, and even the challenges you've overcome to make it relatable and inspiring. Use TikTok's short-form format to create step-by-step tutorials on setting up a website using Wealthy Affiliate's platform. Focus on building a domain, launching a site, and optimizing for SEO. These quick, actionable tips can attract aspiring affiliate marketers. Post mini trainings on finding high-converting keywords, creating engaging content, optimizing websites for search engines. These educational snippets can showcase the value of Wealthy Affiliate's training. Record testimonials and user success stories from Wealthy Affiliate. This social proof helps build trust and shows potential users what's possible when they join. Highlight the all-in-one nature of Wealthy Affiliate by demonstrating the tools included like the website builder, hosting, keyword research tools, and community support. Compare Wealthy Affiliate with other popular affiliate marketing platforms and highlight its strengths, such as training quality, community support, and value for money. Create TikTok challenges encouraging users to start their affiliate journey and share their progress. You can offer shoutouts or small rewards to participants. Use trending sounds and TikTok effects to make your content more engaging and discoverable. Participate in trending challenges and find creative ways to link them to affiliate marketing and Wealthy Affiliate. Show income proof and explain the steps you took to achieve it using Wealthy Affiliate's training and tools. Be transparent and honest to build trust. Go live on TikTok to answer questions about affiliate marketing and Wealthy Affiliate. Share real-time tips and interact directly with your audience to build trust and credibility. Create engaging hooks like, "How I built my passive income stream with one platform," or "The secret to earning online without a huge investment." These hooks grab attention and encourage users to watch your full video. Share exclusive tips on your TikTok channel and encourage viewers to follow you for more insights on Wealthy Affiliate and affiliate marketing. Use call to actions in every video such as, "Check the link in my bio to get started," or "Follow for more affiliate marketing tips." Consistency is key. Post regularly to build momentum and keep Wealthy Affiliate top of mind for your followers. Think about this for a moment. If you could learn how to create a passive income stream that pays you month after month, how would that change your life? Would you travel more? Spend more time with your family? Wealthy Affiliate is designed to make that possible. It gives you the knowledge, tools, and support to build an online business that can truly set you free. So, if you're serious about building an online business that generates real income, Wealthy Affiliate is where you want to be. Click the link in the bio to get started today and join thousands of others who are already making money online. Don't wait for the right moment, create it with Wealthy Affiliate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to follow for more tips on building your online business.